On Pantheon. Oh, hey, thanks. Match. You can't give me a match flower, Ren. No, I'm not accepting that one. No. What's new? I actually did. I added it. I added it. Let me see if this is gonna work. Madge. Oh, okay. This little song is good. Okay, we got lock boxes. Can repair? Oh, okay. Oh, Sia, you're going to Japan next week? Oh, okay. For fun or work? Hey, thanks. What's up? Locked? Oh, okay. It just for 5 days? Oh, let's go. I have a month of paid vacation? Wow, that's so cool. Wow. Okay. Okay, okay. What's that? Oh. Okay, haven't opened that one. Healing potion. Okay, arrived. You were grinding on Pantheon? Okay, I will have to add it to the flower redeem. Okay, I have been given 16 flowers today. That's a lot. Oh, okay, so Pantheon. Oh, are you playing ranked? All right, where do I repair?
What now? Beware, our enemies abound.
Oh, in here?
Be quick about your
Okay,
deeds.
okay.
Embrace the shadow.
Coarse blasting powder. Okay, let's go. Oh, wait. Pantheon, the MMO. Have you guys heard of this? Oh, I linked that. I linked that. Um, wait. I liked songs. Oh, I like this song. The MMO?